Hi, this is Laura. Today I will introduce a Dongfeng full-drive van transporter.
This yellow van transporter is 6,120 mm long, 2,230 mm wide, 2,840 mm high. This vehicle will use a model Cummins ISD 160-43 engine manual 8-speed transmission. This car is designed with a double frame, which is more solid and stable. The model of this car's tire is 8.25R20, and it comes with a spare tire. The total mass of this vehicle is 9 tons. The fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 160 liters. The wheelbase of this car is 3.6 meters. The front axle wheelbase is 1,710 millimeters, and the rear axle wheelbase is 1,660 millimeters. Double doors are designed at the back of the container. To open the door, we first need to rotate the lock. Then lift the handle up and rotate it again. Pull the handle at the same time to open the door. There are hooks on the door. The hook can be fixed into the groove here in the container to rescue the door. Next, we look at the operation of flipping the cap. First, we remove the safety bolt. The second step, pull the handle out. Then lift the handle up. Then you can turn the cap over.
Okay, that's all for today's video. If you are interested in our products, please follow us and leave a message. See you next time. Bye bye.